sir. As we pay homage and respect to this very own Mother Earth, Mother Nation, I would request everyone in the audience to please stand at their spots for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जगति तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जय गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you so much, everyone. Now, as we proceed with this momentous occasion, I would now like to call upon Rotator Himanshi on the mic to please introduce our chief guest, Commander Officer Shrimati Kamal Sisodia Ma'am, 13th Battalion CRPF.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, guests, esteemed officers, and brave soldiers. I, Rotator Himanshi Gachu, welcome you all to the special Rakhi celebration event, Rakhdi. Today we all are gathered here to honor the spirit of Raksha Bandhan, an Asian tradition that celebrates the bond of protection and love between brothers and sisters. I would like to thank District 3080 for taking a noble initiative on the behalf of RAC Chandigarh University and RAC Chandigarh Midtown. I would also like to thank my sins and heartfelt gratitude to Ms. Navjot Kaur Ma'am, Head Women Development Cell, Chandigarh University, for sponsoring this event. Your commitment to attend and contribution is instrumental in making an event success. Your sponsorship will help us to achieve our goals and allow us to provide a memorable experience for everyone involved. Thank you once again, ma'am, for your support. It is a privilege to work with someone who is so dedicated and inspiring. I would also like to thank the Track Club Chandigarh Midtown and Innerway Club of Chandigarh City Beautiful for gracing their presence. I would also like to pay my kind gratitude to Mr. Spreet Kaur Ma'am and Ms. Tina Ma'am and DRR 3080 Protractor Shashank Kaushik Sir, Deputy Director, Deputy DRR 3080 Protractor Suti Sharma Ma'am, DRS 3080 Protractor Ritik Nagpal Sir, ADRR Zone 3 Protractor Riya Wadma Ma'am, ADRS Zone 3 Protractor Sehaj Sharma. I would like to thank our co-host REC Rayat College of Law and REC Guru Gobind Singh College of Women for hosting the event. Our flag does not fly because of the wind. It flies because of the depth and each of every soldier who sacrifices life on it. जल रहे हैं दिए घरों में, चमक उठी है शामें, उदास है उस घर का दिया, सरहद पे जिसका जवान है, सरहद पे जिसका जवान है. Let us remember and appreciate the unwavering dedication and sacrifice of our soldiers who work tirelessly to protect our nation and ensure our safety. Let us partake this Raksha Bandhan ceremony with our soldiers to represent love and protection they have over us. Now, I would like to invite our Chief Guest Commandant, 13th Battalion, CRPF, Shrimati Kamal Sisodia Ma'am. She is an excellent representation of importance of military and police forces have we in country. Not only their responsibility to maintain order, but improve the livelihoods of the society. Shrimati Kamal Sisodia Ma'am is a senior police officer, chairman of Sexual Harassment Committee of entire Jammu sector for 6 years, chairperson of Sexual Harassment Committee for entire Northeast sector for 3 years, senior member of Central Level Complaint Committee of entire country of CRPF for 3 years, has experience of handling sexual harassment cases of women and child at national level all across the country. Presently looking for security of on-level CM Punjab and other Z plus and Z category VIPs. She is a social worker, motivation speaker and an iron of women empowerment. Shrimati Kamal Sisodia Ma'am has got numerous awards. including but not a limit. Veer Sangha Saman Award, Jodhabai Nari Shakti Puraskar, Maharani Padma Shri Child Welfare Award, and lots of many more. Her experience and contribution to her community has inspired countless women throughout the India, have advanced the cause of women empowerment, especially for those who are economically disadvantaged and tribal backgrounds, and especially for women suffering from rape and acid attack. It is a noble goal to heal someone who is suffering from pain. She has only said sky be the limit. Therefore, it's a great pleasure I would ask to bring on this stage Srimati Kamal Sisodia ma'am to share her words of wisdom with all of us present here. Ma'am, please.
Thank you so much, Himanshi. I will now invite our very own Lady Singham, Srimati Kamal Sisodia ma'am, to the stage.
బయట